I was thinking how fun it would be to be a grease monkey. So I have to replace my upper radiator hose. See? Look, hold on. Can I show you? See, there's a crack. You can see that? It's huge. It's quite substantial. There. Sorry, video sucks. I don't usually do car videos. But we have to take out this crossbeam. And so I'm going to set it here and we'll work on this. I sprayed it with liquid wrench. I don't think you can see the project, but these two down here, I do have them loosened, but boy, it took some strength. Yeah, so let's see if we can get this one. Let's see. I'm going to try it from there. Oh, it's moving. Takes a lot of strength. Good old perseverance will win any day. And if you're down and set on something, you can definitely win. Oh, all right. I'm gonna finish taking off this crossbar, and then we'll have to take out the clamps that are on the upper radiator hose. They look a little rusted, so that part kind of not super excited about. We also have to just remove the top shield, whatever that's called. It's I don't know, it covers the engine. It's a plastic shield, so you don't have to know all the parts. I hate making more noise than I have to. It's annoying. Fuck. I love fixing vehicles. It's fun. Yesterday I was in downtown Milwaukee, a little sketchy area, making delivery, some goods, like groceries and shit. And the car started smoking. I was like, oh no. What do? Pray. Just make it home. I know I'll make it home. Watch for overheating. Wasn't overheating. Kept my heat on the whole time. It's a little trick you can do. Turn your defrost on and turn your heater on full blast. Throw down your windows if it gets hot. And that's what you can do if you're going to make it somewhere. And just make sure your car's not going to overheat. If it does, pull over and turn it off. Open that hood. Let it cool down. You're in a safe area. I don't know, I probably would have been fine. I just don't. I'm not an urban person, so I'm not familiar with much. God damn it. Oh, I dropped my frickin' bolt. Hopefully my roommate has one of those magnet things. I'll pray for that. Send some prayers. We'll catch up later. Update, I found my bolt. Look, I don't know if you can see this. Look, it was just right down here. Hallelujah. More later. All right, we'll do this process. So I have the crossbar off, and what I'm going to do is just put the bolts right in the holes exactly where they were, so I don't have to think about that later. It's a little trick for you budding mechanics. Just store your stuff together, because otherwise you might forget. You don't want to forget. Or take pictures. Take pictures of things before you take things apart is a really important thing too. Later. Okay, we're back at it. We're going to try to get these clamps off. Because people love vehicles. Alright, we're back at it. We're going to try to get these clamps off right here. And there's one right here. And this is my tool. I just tried some channel locks. And when I realized I wasn't doing the video, but biggest thing I realized, they didn't work for me. So whether I'm just not using them the right way, which is fine, or something else. I haven't set these at all. So there we go. So what I'm doing is, yep, there. Okay. And now we're gonna squeeze. Oh. Why am I gimpy? This is so hard. I don't like these clamps. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll use them this way. Okay. Got it. Yes. Okay. Look, I got it. Look, they're stuck on here. I'm not gonna wiggle it. Oh, I can't see. Look, right there. You can see. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle this. See the crack? I gotta put you down. Figure this out. Okay. Oh, my pants. Crack of dawn is here. Wow. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! I feel like a god when this happens. Okay, got one side off. Fuck yeah. Should have just pulled it off the hose. Okay. These clamps are the not greatest for me.
They work, but they're hard to make useful.
I'm glad I'm not the only one that struggles.
This here.
What?
Bracket?
Yeah, it's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I can just, no, it's not coming. I'll have to pull it off when I get here. Okay.
That one?
Yep, next one, same as the first.
Only back.
Like Henry VIII. Yeah, only backwards. This one's easier to get to. Yeah. All right. Look. Got it in there. Look at that. Clamped right on there. So I'm going to pull that bad boy off
This
too.
sad or what? Never even opened it.
I'm keeping my face away from the channel locks in case they come off. There. What's that? Oh,
Isn't it sad? I didn't even open it. Oh,
yeah. Laser auger. I don't know. This year was crazy. This year was crazy. No ice. There. Yes. I won. Score. Welcome back. The next step is, I turn the camera around here so we have a rag and a wire brush. So the next step, we're going to stick this in here so nothing gets in there. And then, see all this crap, just gonna wire brush that all away. So the hose fits on there good, don't get any corrosion, all kinds of bullshit. I think this hose has been leaking for a long time because remember I said something's leaking. And it was always over here and I just couldn't figure it out until it just must have blown the other day in Milwaukee. But I made it home safe and that's what I'm so glad for because that's what I prayed for and that's what happened. And here we are on a Good Friday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we lost it. We don't want things to get in there. Let's clean that out. Look at that. Look at that grossness. Okay, there we go. All right, so when we go to the store, we're gonna leave this tucked in here so nothing gets in there. There we go. Okay, we're back. We got the new hose. Look at that. Perfectly dirty. It's a white one. Can you see that? Oh, it's actually black, but it was dirty, so it was white. They call it that. That says the chosen spirit animals. All right, welcome back to another episode of Fixing the Upper Radiator Hose in a 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix 3.8. I think it's a base model. All right, so you see this? Okay, we got the rag in here, got it stuffed in the hole so no dirt can get in there. So I'm gonna set this down. We're gonna put the clamps onto the hose. We already have it preset in here, so we can see how this goes, so we know how to put the clamps on. It's not my favorite part, so that's why I'm hesitating. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the clamp. Open this a little bit more. I'm going to first put the clamp in here. Okay, then I'm going to hold this a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then we're just going to close that so it's open. And we're going to slide that right on there. Okay. Ooh. We're gonna, yep, turn this around a little bit, get it seated right in there so we can close this. I should be wearing safety glasses. Okay. We're gonna it's not, I need a different pliers. I'll be back. Okay, so I gotta get the channel locks a little more pinched so this clamp gets bigger, so, but I can't turn it, so now I'm just using the channel locks for that purpose. We'll see if this is going to help our cause. Make it as big as we possibly can. We'll just go balls to the wall. There we go. Getting there. Almost there. Woo! I heard a ting! I heard a ting! What does that mean?
It means the little spring is stretched to its outermost.
It fit!
Yes, now.
Hold on, how far? Where's the other hose? Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's right
I
on
got
the
it in my
end.
hand. This, I got it in my hand.
Okay. Now,
Do you want to just put it on there
no,
for now? Or do
Oh,
you
I
want to put
suppose
this part on beforehand?
I was kind of going to put that one on beforehand.
Well, let me get the
but-
other. I got another one of those clamps like you do. There's two of those.
Yeah. Oh, genius, look. Look, genius.
Yeah, go to garage sales and buy tools for
Just
that.
gotta set it down carefully. I don't want anything to happen. Got the
There you
safety
go.
glasses on.
That might not even. This might be too small. Huh? Or it can't.
Yeah, you
open
gotta
up.
make it bigger. There. That's good. That's good. Try that.
And how did you
Gotcha.
do it? This? Like this?
Yeah. Here.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Like the top twist?
Yeah, that would probably be
Or-
the.
The safer would be.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. All right. We're gonna turn this sucker. See if we can fast forward through this part of the video when I do it. It would be like, "Rrr, rrr, 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 rrr." I don't know why I made that sound. Almost there. Ting! The sound of success. Okay, this one has to go in here. Like that. Okay. We're gonna set that down for a minute. Okay, we're just going to take this rag out. I had it set before.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Just want to make sure to get this set up before you fully insert inside, so that way it's all going to work out good. Oh, shit. I won't tell you what's flopping right now. The fun of the freedom. All right.
You're there.
Here we go. Okay, now, here, we'll do the ding. Yay! She's securely on there. Look at that. Magic. Okay, next up is this one. More prayers. More prayers. Okay. There. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. She's wiggling. Slow going, because there's a radiator.
Yeah, there's a notch. Or a,
That's this one.
oh,
It's
that's
just
in the way.
hard to, it's coming. Oh no, where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh,
I was just thinking, what happens if it
that's so funny. Perfect. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, she's secured on there. Ooh,
That's gonna be the difficult part.
yeah. We're gonna try turning it. Ooh. We need a tool.
Yes, what tool?
A tool. We'll be back. All right, I'm gonna turn this back on. I don't know how this is going to go. I have a screwdriver. So I was gonna try to wiggle this on here. Really, the only thing that'll happen is this will just come off and spring, and the clamp will just have to redo it. No danger necessarily. I feel I can make this bigger. Oh, she's right at the end. Oh, I wished I could reset
Can you
that.
tap it?
I don't think so. I'm gonna just try.
Put a screwdriver and tap it?
I'm gonna just try to tighten it. It's gonna come off. I have to redo it. Okay. Gonna redo it with this one. This is our trusty one. And I'm gonna come in from the side. Let's make it bigger and more workable here, silly. Okay. Come on. Almost there. Excellent. Okay. Let's try it the other way. It's important to get this radiator hose on the fitting that there's a lot of pressure in these systems. So you have to get it on the actual fitting. Come on. It's being a turd. We're going to turn it back this way a little bit. It's because this one's in this position. So this process just tightens that clamp there because it's tightening this. It takes a little bit now. Put it down for that. Trick is going to be getting underneath this shroud, but we're going to try to wiggle it on with the screwdriver. Okay, about there. Heard the twang. A little bit more. So we want to make sure we got this as easy as possible to slide where we need it to slide. Come on. Alright, maybe I need the longer screwdriver. Of course. Last part, that's the hardest. Longer screwdriver, so maybe we can. So I can't. I don't have any leverage. Oh, come on, baby. Is that on? It's pretty close. Or, ooh, think the God set in. There. Okay, getting there. Almost there. Almost there. Thankfully, these hoses are thick. Worry about poking a hole. Anything stupid like that. There. Hey, we got it. It's official. It's on there. Okay. Kids. Can you see that? I'm gonna turn it up. I don't know if I can get it down there. Here we go. Hey. On there, nice and secure. Okay, we have our fresh installed upper radiator hose. Hey, I'm back. I forgot to record a little bit. I wanted to show you. So what we're doing now, I filled up the radiator the rest of the way up to here, up to there. I also made sure I had enough in the reservoir. And now what I'm going to do is bleed the system. So there's a bleeder valve on the top here. Underneath is a thermostat. And so I already loosened this, so we're going to bleed it and make sure there's no air in the system because that causes catastrophic overheating. Ah! Okay, here we go. Starting her up. Now we'll just sit out here and watch that bleeder valve. So I'm going to turn this off and so I can flip the camera. Alright, so here we are waiting for her to warm up. There's the valve, so we're just going to keep her watching on that. We'll keep watching on that because when the air is out of the system, if there's any in there, then we're going to have coolant start to come out, so that way we'll know all the air is out of the system. As this hose fills, look at that, no leaks there. I think we did good on that. Once it starts to heat up, system's going to bring it more into that upper hose, and we'll see the bleeding process. While we're waiting for this to heat up, we can just inspect the engine, see if anything else comes to attention. The belt looks okay. I'll have to replace that though sometime this year, I know. That's where I spilled before when I was filling up the radiator. So no leaks. Still no leaks here. I do have my 7mm socket all ready here to go for when that's all heated up. I'm just keeping an eye on that little one right there. Let's go check the temp on the inside and see where she's at. Takes a little bit of time. Oh, it's not even there yet. We'll come back in a minute. Alright, there it goes. So now we can close it. Oh, shit. Can you turn off the car quick, please? Thank you. The nut got stuck in the socket. Going the wrong way. That would help too. I was going the wrong way. Nut got stuck in the socket. I almost lost the bolt.
Oh no.
That would have sucked. Thankfully. Okay, we are golden. Alright, that's how you bleed an engine. Now the last things to put on are the crossbeam here. Had success with that. So 13mm I'm using here. Put these all tighten down. Doesn't have to be put on with He-Girl or He-Man strength neither. This is a little easier to... Sorry about that. Trying to go fast. Sometimes you can do it if you get the right motion and angle, but I hate it when I bang it. So it's the little game I play with myself, not bang the shit. I'm doing this one hand. Excuse. So we just put these parts. It's not bang the paint. No, talking to a lot of people right now. All right, there we go. Okay, and then we just make sure these are tight, secure. And then the final piece of what we're going to do is put on this shroud. It did get some spray. Get it over here a little bit. Okay, and then I will put this right over here. We're gonna take this, just twists off. See? That, ooh, let that go. And we can take this shroud, this little point goes back there. No idea if you can see that. Go get some oil and antifreeze on there. Hopefully it's not oil. Might have spilled the other day a little. I do have to change my oil. We can do that in another episode. There we go. She's all done. Upper radiator hose complete. Have a great day.